Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the TPM Attestation is not ready error on FACEIT. This issue is usually related to BIOS settings, secure boot, TPM 2.0, or outdated firmware. Follow the steps carefully, and this should get FACEIT Anti-Cheat working again. Let's get started. First, open the Start menu and click Settings. Go to Windows Update. Click Advanced Options, then select Recovery. Under Advanced Startup, click Restart Now. Your PC will restart. When the blue menu appears, click Troubleshoot. Then select Advanced Options. Click UEFI Firmware Settings and then click Restart again. Your system will now boot into the BIOS/UEFI menu. This screen may look different depending on your motherboard, but the options are usually under Advanced, Boot, or Security. Inside the BIOS, go to the Advanced section. Look for VTD on Intel systems or AMD Secure Virtual Machine (SVM) on AMD systems. Make sure VTD or SVM is disabled. If you are using an AMD processor, also locate IOMMU and make sure IOMMU is enabled. Next, go to the Security or Boot section. Find Secure Boot. If Secure Boot is disabled, enable it. Make sure Secure Boot is fully turned on before continuing. Now, still inside the BIOS, look for TPM 2.0 or PTT. The name may vary depending on your motherboard. Set TPM 2.0 to Enabled. This step is required for FACEIT Anti-Cheat to work correctly. Once everything is set correctly, select Save Changes and Exit. Your PC will restart back into Windows. Now launch FACEIT Anti-Cheat again. In most cases, the TPM attestation error will be fixed at this point. If the error is still showing, your BIOS may be outdated. Open the Start menu and type System Information, then open it. Look for System Model or Baseboard Product and copy the model name. Open your web browser, paste the model name into Google, and add the word BIOS at the end. Click the official website of your motherboard or laptop manufacturer. Download the latest BIOS update and carefully follow the instructions provided by the manufacturer. Important: only update the BIOS from the official manufacturer website and follow the instructions exactly. After updating the BIOS, restart your PC and launch FACEIT again. And that's it. That's how you fix the TPM Attestation is not ready error on FACEIT. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.